Why people are not joining in server? I don't know. That's me. Yeah, already posted. Whatever. I don't care now at this point because we mainly focusing on YouTube. Hello, hello. Yeah, let people join. This was supposed to happen today. I was expecting this. But YM, I don't like YM. You see, we have this low left, and the best thing here is let's uh, let's see whether our live stream started or not. Let's see. The live stream started or not, and let me update it in a shape. Yeah, walking started or not, and shi. Let me update it in Instagram. Yeah, so let's go through the indices first. The like we have a beautiful day here today, like for indices maybe because in Delhi, let me go through the ES. What's going on in ES? That's mm. So this high is not yet taken in ES, and this got taken. This got taken, and the best thing here in NQ is we got closure below this low, and I think we can anticipate to take these lows in daily time frame, but we have something interesting in 4 hour here. You see, I was looking at this chart like this now. See here, look this high. We have this SMT one stage right now. We are forming this one stage, but we might also get two stage if it if it closes bullish, then we can try in ES maybe these lows or like we still have these lows to target. So anticipating a bearish transaction, but need this order to be reached to look for bearish price action here. But NQ looks cool because the draws are near, and if we didn't take these draws till 10 a.m., then we can target for these lows. That's a plan. That is a plan in indices for now. ES looks a bit stronger, but NQ is looking cool to be honest. The best thing is like if you see reversed here at this point after taking this high and then good displacement inversion and then coming back and one stage continuation. So we are having a good continuation trade here. So that's the best thing going on right now. But yeah, if we close below this low, this 4 hour candle, then we can for trade transaction. Again, what's happening in gold? How many viewers we are having right now? 4. That's crazy. Nice, nice. Do like make sure to hit the like and subscribe, guys. Just to just to reach, just to just increase the reach out of the videos. Let's put it on charge. Happening in gold. Gold, silver. Again, we are still in a daily time frame. No C2 formation here. At least like if we get the C2, then we can trade C3. I don't know, like low probable forming again. But if we get this inversion, uh, if we get this inversion, like as we are already into this daily fair value gap, to get this inversion, we can look for these lows. These were the nearest ones. These are the nearest ones here. So these lows with this, we already have this one stage here. So again, we are still already having that one stage. So yeah, we can look for these lows or maybe these lows as well. But we have this swing point here, so it's the best thing to look for. Let's wait for 10 a.m. close in gold. Yeah, this thing stage. We have these two stage, so crazy. Very good sign here for gold. But the problem is we need to get closure below this fair value gap, and then we need some kind of retracement set the high of the day with one stage, and then look for bearish till these lows. Good structure forming here. I can say that in gold and silver. So when it comes to the oil, we didn't get this CIST yesterday, so we didn't take that. So daily. C2 formation inside of this gap. So this gap is still holding. The C2 formation might push higher today, but we need the low of the day set first. So that's yesterday we manipulated and this then pushed higher. That was good plan yesterday what we planned, and let's look for today what we got. SPM open, PM open, and give me a second, guys. I wanted to connect my keyboard actually. So are we streaming or we're having a lag in the stream? We are streaming. Right, right, right. I don't see any tracking correlation with HO. What about RB? What about RB? Oh, we might get this one stage because of this PSP with RB, and we can like look for these highs, but RB is like already pumping high, so I think we should go with RB if we didn't clear out these highs. Let me just go through didn't clear out these highs. Yeah, here this C2 formation with PSP. Now we have this high still, so we do have chance to like come back to retracement and then push higher in RB. But CL we have a lot of room to trade with CL, so let's keep it CL or RB, not HO. We have a good low resistance liquidity coming in here, so yeah. What about NQ? Yeah, I think good. There is forming this SMT inside of this value gap here. We'll have a lot of room to trade in NQ. So let's wait for 10 a.m. close and then another 15 minutes, maybe another 15 minutes, and then we can. This we have this CST already. So we should hold and push a little bit lower so that we can, trade these lows, trade these lows and these lows, these daily lows. The reason behind me this is like I'm being bearish in indices is like daily closure what we got here in NQ. Look at the closure we got here in NQ and also the 4 hour one stage what we got here with the ES. So that's a good sign there, but we might get a better confirmation We might get a better confirmation if we close this candle bullish because that becomes a two stage and you know we can get that instant like strength switch and we might trade ES as well if we miss it in NQ. So and gold is so clean today. Not gonna lie, gold is so clean. If you see, we have this one stage going on. Like yeah, we have this one stage. If this closes bullish, then we might also have the two stage as well. So good lows till these lows. So like looking bearish in gold and looking sorry, where did that go? Oh my god, guys. Yeah, we have silver. We stood over down today. Maybe maybe it's going to hit that soon. And come on, man, load it. Yeah, Tradeout is down today. But what's going on with Tradeout? Like, it's been like two times now since Project X is like went off from other firms like Blue Guardian and Aqua Futures. The Tradeout is having a lot of trouble with uh, a lot of trouble nowadays. So the best thing is like if we get a closure above here, like in a body, so that might be that would be so good. Let's have that this candle for me. No, this for we don't need confirmation lines, projections, no projections. Image project X, yeah, yeah, projector X was like good one. Okay, like so good to use in like we had a dual chart, someone who cannot afford the cannot afford the trading view premium. That would be so for them. Why NQ chart is not loading, guys? What's happening in here? What about Nas? Yeah, even I'm looking for shorts in NQ, but I don't know why my chart is not loading. What's happening? We should get this. Let me just restart this trading view, guys. Yeah, to give me a sec. Let me just restart it, guys. I'm restarting it. Just give me a second. It'll take a little bit time. They're coming back. Hello, hello. I'm having some trouble with trading view, so I'm just restarting it. That's because of what is happening here? I don't know. It takes a lot of time to load in OBS. What's happening? Well, yeah, we are back. We are back. We are back. Come on. We are back, sir. We are back, sir. We are back, sir. Let's go. Hmm. Whatever I whatever I marked just went off. So daily we have these lows for now, and we have these lows. Yeah. We have I was saying we had this correlation. It is high. Another 3 minutes. We just need that good retracement, and then yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are back. Hold bearish. I'm hoping. Maybe it's not yet taken these highs. We had a good displacement, but like if we get any kind of retracement inside of this gap, and then like retracement inside of this gap, and then any kind of upward correlation here, and then push higher. But I need at least like one stage maybe. So gold, gold is looking so good. Not gonna lie, gold is looking good to these highs. Gold is looking good to these highs. Then what is the thing? So guys, we need another 2 minutes. But NQ is flashing like anything. Let's see, guys. What do we got? Are we having that buffer, guys? If you guys are like anyone experiencing a buffer in a stream because of my internet network, you guys see a buffer? Please tell me. I think I should just can't turn off my internet now. If I do that, then you know everything will just goes down. So again, we have this another two stage, one stage continuation. Nice, nice. We like yeah, having we might get a good setup in. Yes, I get a good setup in. Yes, because NQ already cleared this low, but we still have these lows. No need to worry. Let's see if we get that high set of 10 a.m. to trade. What's going on in gold? Gold looking cool, cool, but silver looks better. But I'll go with the gold at one stage and then we can really having this. But yeah, one stage in 5 minutes. Is CST then once a high of the 10 a.m. candle sets in. That will be cool. Cool. Going back, we are getting a tap into that gap as I expected. Pushing down hard, guys. No 10 a.m. high set here. Still waiting. Set a high of 10 a.m. and then we might get a good trade. Or yes, like we have other assets to trade. No need to worry. But the high of the 10 a.m. should be set first. Take that trade. We need disclosure at least in a gold. Here we had this GST. True. But as we have one stage in like 1 hour here, you see one stage, not one stage. Yeah, it is high here. That's the reason I need that 5 minute CST because I'm referencing that 1 hour time frame um, for my Kraken correlation. So I need the its aligned time frame to, you know, get that more confirmation so that, these highs holding like this pattern correlation is actually playing out, keeping it keeping it like more mechanical for you guys to, you know, understand it very easily. Yes, bro. Like two stage, one stage. Yes. So what I'm like waiting for is like if we get this gap and then we can trade this in ES. Because the reason is like we haven't yet, set the don't have actually 10 a.m. high here set yet. So like that's making me think about should I actually trade this or not. Look at this guys. We haven't got 5 minutes CST. So still waiting. Give me a second guys. I'm on call. I'll be back. Oh, sorry. I forgot to share my screen in Discord. So one of the that was a call from there. Look at this gold. I was anticipating this 5 minute CST because I had this 1 minute second correlation up here with silver. You see 1 minute second correlation. Like even with this high, maybe even with this high, you see. So, but the thing is, as I'm looking in like one hour second correlation, I need a 5 minute CST. So that's the reason I was waiting for 5 minute CST here. So we are not getting that, then like we are not flipping our bias. Just going on the other asset. So these are the like very basic things to concentrate on. We are setting up the 10 a.m. high here, guys. 10 a.m. high here, maybe. Yeah. Let it like push a little bit more inside of this BG here. That makes it more clean. Yeah. Coming this C2. The problem is track and correlation. Do we have any of that in here? That's a problem. But like if we get the CST here, now be that would be the good setup, but not sure because no Kraken correlation. Or else we would wait for this 15 minute to close and then we can trade C3 there. Sure, it is not working. Still not working. Don't know. Get this closure over here in RP. I don't know RP. We have micros for RP. I don't really know whether we have micros. Yes, 10 a.m. high is set, but we need some kind of sign to, sign so that this this is high and we are reversing from there. We need that sign to. Yeah. Oh, we can push till this high, this low here. We can push till here and then wick above this FEG and then reverse from there. It's there 10 a.m. We haven't got it CST. So if what's happening? Yeah, need that confirmation to push it lower, or else like it's just chopping around, or else we get these continuations here like dragon correlation, something like this. And we can look at we already saw. Let's hope for that. Like let's hope for this another two stage. If we take this high, we might get a two stage there. Not yet taken. Don't leave that equal highs for come on. Thank you. Yeah, as I said, we come back. We double that favorable gap, but didn't close. That's what I was expecting because we had a good, what I would say, we had a good kind of mitigation block, you can say, over there, and that might be the holding thing there. And but the thing is, like, do we have any crack and correlation? That's a problem. That's the thing. That is the thing. If we don't have a crack and correlation, I would not consider that a true reversal there. But at the same time, we serve this liquidity and we are getting this inversion. So some like IFC traders might punch here to these highs, but I'm not sure. Like I'm not much confident about taking this trade. So see what we have in gold and silver. I want this to be cleared out in silver so that we get this and then the gold should flush lower. Yeah, RP looking good in like we have this inversion here in RP. The thing is like here is this CD closure, not gonna trust this. Again, like here, some of the IPC traders would have got in on this opening price, but I need like little bit more confirmation to take that. Yeah, flushing down NQ, RB, nothing much there to look for in RB. Let's see. Now is looking good, guys, for these highs. But like we get this closure, then I might look for no highs. Which we are not getting that. Yes, the oil is like turned out better, like bullish here. Yeah, I want this to like flush down 10 AM high set, but no crackling correlation, so not gonna touch it. That's not auto reversal for me. Yo, 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 sir. Welcome to the stream. Are we having lag in YouTube? You guys can please figure and tell me. Or is it my internet? This is our daily Fiji. It's not working. We get this like closure. If we get this CXT, then only I'm gonna punch it, or else like I'm gonna just let it go. Or else any gap in 3 minutes that would help as well. If we use now here, my shops would be here. Another minute. So like again, like let me tell you one thing, like guys here. Again, like if we form a gap here and then gap and then we can take it, but the SL that might be the problem. Then we are having chop here, so at least we need this 5 minute closure. Yeah, pushing lower here. Yep. We have lows here. Where was that low? Okay, we have low way down here. We can't target this that low. Why not a good closure? Take or else like gap in a 3 minute or else like mid closure below here. But the problem is the price will not stay. if it wants to push lower. The price will not stay for much time here because we are already falling and 5 minute already expanded a lot and 3 minute is just moving around and it will like, it might flush down. But like if we don't have cap here, if we close this cap and then tap into this, that again becomes low probable for me because I need a good displacement with cap. So for an entry, then you having a struggle to flush down below opening price of 10 a.m. Just tapped here, another 35 seconds, guys. We need a closure there. And then like after this closure, if we get the CST portion block, maybe you can call it that way. But if we get a closure below this, we can concentrate and put our stops for there. Abhi just wiggling around because I think we had a strength switch in CL and Abhi. Nice. I think we have. Oh, nice. I think we should let you. I just take it in. You see, like if we get this tab, we are in, or else we have another asset. We are in here. This trade needs to do. Basically, that's it. Let's see if we get that TP. And what's going on in here? No. I think like we might, you know, push the push upwards here in indices. Hi guys. Hi whoever are attending live stream. Thanks so much. So once we take these lows, I'm gonna be like break even. Once we clear these lows. Oh, yeah, good highs up here, but uh, we had a plan to take a trade here, but kind of slow. Right, felt crazy. Break even. Break even. Yeah, crazy flush coming in here. Push it down. Whatever, bro. Like whatever happens at this point, the trade is risky, and we are having a good dump here. So let's run it down. Whatever happens, it's fine. Good trade, to be honest. There's a good setup in gold as expected. And let us, that's, yeah, but bro, like if I let anyone talk in DC, then there'll be like a lot of chaos and my live stream in YouTube, you know, might get disturbing. So that's the thing. Or else I would have, yeah. We'll have some, chit chat sessions after the live stream on like weekends maybe while we are having back testing sessions or just chilling out with. Yeah, yeah. 10 minutes I'll let you guys to talk. That would that might help. Mm. Whatever happens, guys, if we stopped out, we stop out like we stop out here, we have another asset secret, so no need to worry. Or else like we can flash out as well, so there's no need to worry. That's it. Can you do some lesson? What do you want to learn, bro? What do you want to learn? Tell me. But on 9 p.m. EST, I'm gonna have break. So if this holds, that'll be good. If this holds, that should be good. At this point, there's nothing in my hand. Like if it comes back and hits my break even, then that's even good. No need to care about that. We are just flipping here. Just to be let's be safe, like break even. Because like this low, this candle looks like it's manipulating this low, so just be safe. We might get the TP, but it's better to be safe there. What do you want to learn, bro? Like just put it in a comment and we might talk about that. Are we having a strange switch? Silver here, like even though we left this equalize here, silver had a good setup on this, like by forming this gap and flashing around. But again, these equal highs might lower the confidence of trader to punch trade there. At least mine. I would never punch leaving these equal highs. Look at that. I was expecting this one stage here. I didn't get that. Another 2 minutes if you get closer below this lower. That'll be so good. Looking good so far. And we haven't yet taken this low in silver. And that might be the problem. But I think like gold will flush to this to our list. We haven't yet taken this low. Again, this might be the SMT. So I want this to, I want silver to just clear this as soon as possible because, that brings some more confidence that, all the SMTs are cleared and we have SMT break and we can push lower. Look at these guys. This is looking good. Indices kind of like, giving the deep retracements and, just, not clear for me until unless like at least I should get this flip of 10 a.m. candle, which in the same time, like while we are flipping this 10 a.m. candle, at the same time we are getting this CHD as well, both of these here. So that no, I'll be staying with a trend and trading to these lows. Or else I'm not gonna touch because no confirmation for me to trade higher as we have a good setup in gold holding. So yeah, we cleared this low. That's good, but now let's wait. Whatever comes in, just hold in the trade. I'll be having break, guys. Manage this trade. Like it's already risk free. You don't even need to manage it. Just you might, you guys might get good TP as well. So you guys get a TP, spam double in the chat. W in the chat. See you guys in a minute. Even you don't even need to manage a trade because it's already risk free. Hi guys, hi. I'll definitely answer your questions. Just give me a second. I'll be back. Yes, sir. Beat the TP. Yes, sir. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade in gold. In 20 7, 10 minutes. Yeah, that's because of you have to buy data from CME. GG's guys, GG's. Please, I'll be back in a 10 minutes. If you will have some chit chat and I'll explain the trade. I'll explain this gold trade, top down analysis. If you guys like can wait, so that'll be so good. Just I'm in a meeting, so I just have to attend it. So Yes, sir. We are back. We are back. See, guys, we are just chopping around in indices. Not a like good thing to trade today after 10 a.m. Not that mm, good tradable asset there. Gold was so clean as we anticipated. These lows, we still have these lows. We still have these low to catch up. But if you guys have any doubts or any questions, you can just spam it in the chat. I'll try to explain as much as much as I know. Oish. I haven't shown RP for a long time. I just saw it. My bro refined to took a loss on this, but yeah, that's fine. Everyone take a look at this. I took losses yesterday. The actual thing, the actual thing should be taken here, but yeah, that's fine. I was looking for gold and indices. For indices, I just chopping around, but gold played out very well. So cool. How much did it show? 1:3. Like, but damn butter. 1:3 is so easy. Pumping higher here in RB. We were supposed to catch here, but no, whatever happens. Indices, indices. If we get like we got a dump here at the gap, and then we can take this. But we need a gap to take this trade. here. This is like becoming bit uh, tricky in indices because like we are melting down slow here, and I don't know, like I'm not sure to punch a short over here. So gold. We had a good trade in RP. We are having a good push up, but not sure because we cleared the draw and we are getting slow down here. Um, we had this CST, and look at this. Excuse me. Had this CST one stage. Mm, Yeah, this would be a trade I would be taking because 5 minute CST inversion and then 3 minute CST and with this pattern correlation up down here. So if even like once again if I get yeah, you got that. Nice. Oh shit, we just slammed. That was bad. Indices. Now we like it. This was how much CST. We are back, sir. I was in a meeting. We don't have cap or any cap forming up here. Like we are leaving this liquidity up there, so not a cool setup forming. I don't see any cool setup here. How many people we have in live stream? 8 people. How many likes we are getting? How many likes we are getting? How to see how many likes I've got, guys? How do I switch this thing to like only subscribers can chat? I don't know. Nowadays, a lot of people do that because to gain more subscribers. Make sure to leave us up if you guys have any doubts, like any questions, any lesson you guys want that. No, don't step back. Can ask. Can ask. You can. Or if you want to play me a trade setup, then you can ask. Well, oh shit, that was a good CST there. Like if we get a gap here, then we can look for a short, like what, like only if we get a gap form here, or else no trade. Something like this gap, tap into it and then flush lower. But like the cool thing, like one of the best thing, or not a best thing I would say, but tricky thing I would say. Like one of the trickiest thing happened today in NQ was like it again tricked the tricked the IFPG traders here. If you see, we cleared this like beautiful low cleared, got cleared, and then we had this inversion. If you see, we had this 5 minute inversion here, the good displacement. If any of the IFPG traders, like not lot of people, I think they should be taking this trade if they are trading IFPG, because I already traded IFPG. Wonderful entry model, but not for me. That was not for me because I don't know how to trade it, to be honest. So this looks good to me. Like I would have entered at this entry, like opening price of this candle, leaving my stops below this or else this, and I got stopped out there. So that's the thing, guys. What if I would have taken this at this 5 minute CST here, putting my stop here and what I should do? That's a good trade, but low probability because it was just flopping around, leaving these highs here. So I don't think so. We have this coming in gold, this coming in gold, oil just chopping around because oil was non-tradable, guys. Today, oil was not at all tradable. Slow. RB was good to trade because we had this draw left here, but after this C2 closure, it did serve. The C3 was good to trade till this high, but the next candle, I don't know what happened. It just manipulated and took out everyone. Good flush indices. We still do have a lot of room in uh, ES. We can trade ES if we, yeah, if we form this gap in 3 minutes, we can trade this ES. Last shot. We already had a win, so don't care much. This will be my entry. If we leave that gap, we come back and tap into that gap. Ah, trading paper today because Redovit is having some issue. Let this close 16 minutes to if we leave that gap and if we get no retracement and tap into that, then that would be so good. Closed. We got our limit placed. Let's see if we get that tap. This is the last shot. We already had a win in gold. So let's see. Tap. We got a tap. This will be break even. Let's see, guys. This gap should hold. This low is still remaining, but NQ took this low. Yes, is again this is like this case is like gold. We gold and silver we had previously. We should take. That is what I'm anticipating here. Let's see if we can take that low. We have this block, block or mitigation block or anything to call here inside of that fair value gap. So even if it pushes, that's a point where it should be reversing from. Looking so good. Once NQ clears this low or ES clears this low, I'll be pulling down my SL to break even. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Is my live lagging or I am behind? Kind of okay, I would say. The close is kind of okay. Thank you is flushing, but the reason why I didn't take it in NQ is because we had a draw very close and the SL might be becoming a bit larger there. Take that trade in NQ for you guys. So another 2 minutes, flush it down and take this low. I'll be pulling my stop to break even. What's happening in 5 minutes? 5 minutes looks good. But I'm afraid that this gap is like this gap is leaving behind. Market is leaving behind this gap, and you know what if it comes back and retraces and taps into that gap? So I don't want that to happen because even this 5 minute candle this 5 minute candle of like forming this gap is not that good displacement candle. So not sure. Getting a lower push up. This 5 minute will hold again. Let's see. So whatever comes in with that rate, okay, what that. Let's just play. We already had a win there. Short or any yes. Yeah, into 5 minute gap. Even like this entry should be a good entry, but we are having this low cleared out in ES, like NQ, and ES is not yet cleared that low, so that might be the problem. Gold is chopping around. RB, yes, chopping around. Let's see. The gold trade was so cool, like one of the good trades of the day. I was looking at the refined trader chat, sorry, refined trader live stream just now. Not tradable time. What's the time? 11. We do have the CXT here. As I expected, we came back, tapped into that 5 minute and went back. Again, this might also be another entry on this CST. But again, like it's not a time to trade, guys. Like if I get these lows taken, I'll be having break even. So, yeah, I was in Refined Trader live stream just now, like just to leak a little bit there. Uh, we need that CST. We need that CST. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. We need that. Come on. और बताओ आज हिंदी के नाम करेंगे हिंदी में स्ट्रीम भी करेंगे थोड़ा बहुत. You guys can ask anything in Hindi if you want, like if you want me to explain in Hindi. Oh, sorry, my Discord mic was off. Yes, push in lower. Took that low. Come on, took that low. Break even here. Come on. Hold it. We have these lows. Just hold it. We clear these lows, very recent lows. And we might clear these in Q low as well. So I think I should just hold it. That's the reason. Just hold it. One. Not loading, man. Like, what's happening, guys? We might get stopped out here. That's not a break even. Might, yeah, stop out at the break even here in yes. Again, like we got that name expansion, and we don't have much to trade in trade after this, I assume. So the price might, the price will get, just be chopping around. So that's the reason I just took out break even after this low has been taken. So yeah, that's it for guys. See you guys tomorrow to do, come visit live stream, ask questions, anything you want. Okay, take care, guys. Bye bye. See you.